Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this feeder bracket. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and this is the very simple part designed for the beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and I have activated the part design workbench, and I will insert my body and on the origin plane. So here first sketch we will create is to this profile on a right plane, and then we will extrude it. So we will select the right plane and click on the sketch, go to the model tab and off the origin, and now I will create a rectangle, select this and delete it, and select a line tool and select a polyline and create a rough profile. And now I will add the dimension. Let's make it vertical. This is vertical, and let's give the dimensions. So from this to this, horizontal dimension of 10 mm, and this one is of 40. Select this and provide the vertical dimension of 10 mm, and now let's provide the angle. This to this is of 135, and now I will select this and add a parallel relation. Let's move it. Let's first make this and this perpendicular, and this will have the parallel. Now select this line and add a dimension of 10 mm, and select this and add a dimension of 55, and from this point to this point is of 38. So our profile is fully constrained. Now we will extrude it. We will come out of the sketch, press 0 for isometric, switch to the model tab, select a sketch, click on extrude, and extrude to the distance of 60, and we will keep it symmetric to the plane. Click on OK, and now we will add a fillet to this corner. So we will rotate our model, select the edge and press the control key, and click on fillet, and provide here 29.99, and press 0 and select the sketch, and we will project this diameter and select the circle, and here is a 19 mm of a drill. Select diameter, provide it 19 mm, click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all, say OK. And now we will select this face and we will create a construction line at 45 degree, and then we will create this cut and then we will mirror it. So click on the sketch, and here we will switch to the isometric, and we will click on the project geometry and create a line, and from here select angular constraint, select this and this, and provide it 135 and select it and made it construction. And now I will select a polyline tool and create a rough profile. And now we will deactivate the conflict constraint. Now here we will select this and this and add a perpendicularity, this and this and add a perpendicularity, select this and this and add a parallel relation. Now select this and this and add a parallel relation. And now here we will make these 2 points symmetric with this construction line. So we will use the symmetricity, select this point and this axis, and we will go here and deactivate the conflict. And now we will select this line and provide the dimension of 12 mm, and here we will trim the line. We will project the geometry and we will trim this construction line. Select trim and trim it so that we get a point. So we get a point and this line, select it and provide the dimension of 11 mm, and we will keep this value approximate. Let's give the 20, and now we will close it and we will click on extrude cut and say it through all, say OK, select pocket, use the mirror and select reference, mirror on other side. And now we will create this slot cut here, which is of a 6.5. So select the face and click on the sketch, click on project geometry, and here I will create a rectangle, and then I will delete this line and select a 3-point arc, create an arc and add this relation tangency, this relation tangency, and select this and add a coincidence, and this is of a 6.5, so we will select it and add a vertical dimension of 6.5, and this is of a 9.5 from this edge, so we will select this point and add a dimension 9.5. and now we wanted to remove the material, so we will keep this dimension approximate. Let's set 20 and click on close, and select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all. Now we will create these 2 holes. So for this I will select the face and click on the sketch, select circle and create 2 circles, and this is of a diameter 11. So select the diameter and provide the 11 mm, select this and made it equal. Now we will make these two circles symmetric with our axis. So we will select symmetricity, select this point, and this axis, and now I will select this point and add a vertical dimension of 30 mm. And now I will project this edge, click on project geometry, select this point and add a horizontal dimension of 20 mm. Click on close. Now select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all, say OK. Now here we can see that two radius of R6, so we will press the control key and select these two edges and click on fillet and provide the 6 mm. Click on OK. Now here fillet and round of R3, so I will select the fillet and select this edge, this edge, this and this one, and provide the value R3. Click on OK. Press 0 for isometric. So this is all about this tutorial, how to model a feeder bracket in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.